In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fixed range volume profile on Tradingview, quick and easy. We'll start right on your Tradingview chart. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main toolbar. Look for the icon that opens the forecasting and measurement tools. It usually looks like a small ruler or measuring symbol. Go ahead and click that to open the extended list of tools related to projections, ranges, and advanced overlays. From that list, find and click on Fixed Range Volume Profile. This is the specific tool that lets you analyze how much trading volume occurred at each price level within a custom section of your chart. Once you select it, your cursor will change, indicating that the tool is active and ready to use. Now move your cursor to the chart and click on your first point. This first click marks the starting point of the range you want to analyze. Typically, you'll place it at the beginning of a move you're interested in. For example, the start of a trend or a key swing, low or high. Next, move your cursor to the end of the price move you want to study and click again to set your second point. This defines the entire range for the fixed range volume profile. As soon as you click, Tradingview will calculate and display the volume profile for that segment, showing horizontal bars along the price scale. This fixed range volume profile shows where the most trading activity happened within that selected range. Longer bars indicate price levels where a lot of volume was traded, often acting as important support or resistance zones. You'll also see a highlighted level, sometimes called the point of control, which marks the price where volume was highest in that range. You can adjust this profile at any time. Simply click on the edges of the selected range and drag them left or right to fine-tune exactly which candles or time period you want to include. As you adjust, the profile automatically recalculates, so you can quickly compare different sections of price action. You can also customize how the fixed range volume profile looks and behaves. Select the profile, then use the small menu that appears. Click on Templates if you want to save your preferred style or quickly apply a preset. Click on Settings to open the full customization panel, where you can change the colors, the number of volume rows, visibility on different time frames, and more. If you want to keep your analysis clean, click on Lock to prevent accidentally moving or changing the profile while you work. When you're done with a profile, click on Remove to delete it from the chart. And if you see 3 dots or a More Options icon, click that for additional actions and shortcuts related to the tool. To wrap up, the fixed range volume profile on Tradingview is a powerful way to see where traders were most active within a specific move, helping you identify key levels, refine your entries and exits, and better understand the story behind price action.